Hello guys, I'm here in Rivals with my people here. I'm here with
JipJip.com
and
Green Gamer
and
Beyond Crit Zero 2.
and we're gonna be playing some Rivals. Are you guys ready?
Yes! Yes!
Okay, where do we go?
Novito!
2v2? Okay,
I'm in 2v3.
2v3?
Yeah. Post team.
Who's gonna be my team?
Me and bro.
Me and David?
No, me and Kale Gunter and versus you, Sian and Jaro.
Okay. Okay.
Sian! Oh, not it. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, not arena. Big space. Okay, this one. Thank you, guys. I love this map.
You're welcome, David.
You're welcome, Kale. I'll target Gunter, Kelly.
Guys, we must speak English.
No, Jaro.
You're so good. Oh, let's go.
I'll target Jaro.
Jaro is gonna target you.
I hit Jaro.
No.
I hit Gunter once.
I hit David once. Oh my gosh, David is too good.
I hit Sian once.
I hit him once.
No.
GG's.
I think we are cooked.
I'll target Jaro. No, Jaro.
So bad.
No, Kelly.
Let's go, Sian. Let's go.
No.
We need to come from this.
Jaro is too OP.
Oh my gosh.
Don't like me.
No, I'm so bad at aiming. Oh, Jaro. No, yeah, we are so cooked, bro.
I hit Sian.
Is this kind of unfair, guys?
No, there's 3 of you and 2 of us.
But you guys are really good for 2 people.
But you are gooder than the 2 of us, Gunter. I'm one shot by the sniper. The RPG.
Go, Sian. Go, Sian. Let's go.
Yeah.
You said Gunter, this was unfair.
Yeah, you will target Gunter and I will target you too.
Okay.
How did I not hit that? How did I not hit that? Let's go.
No.
We're doing good, Sian. We're doing good.
We're doing bad.
headshot, they kill.
No.
Let's go! GG's.
GG's. Jaro is toxic.
Okay.